everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Maso and my cat's name is Una. Thank you so much for being here. To all my subscribers and members, thank you for your continued support. It truly means a lot to me. Today, I want to open up about something personal. I haven't really talked to anyone this past week. I've been isolating myself again, and honestly, I just haven't felt like talking. It's not because I don't care about people or because I'm selfish. I just don't have the emotional energy right now. Sometimes I don't want to talk about myself, my problems, or how I'm feeling. And sometimes I don't even have the energy to listen to what other people are going through. I've been dealing with some of the same struggles for a long time. And when you keep telling people you're struggling, you start wondering if they think, here we go again. You start worrying that they think you're too much, too emotional, or too dramatic. I don't want people to see me that way. But the truth is, my situation hasn't magically changed. I'm still struggling even if I look okay on camera. I might smile, laugh, work on my van, and make videos, but sometimes there's a lot going on inside that people don't see. And I am close to getting a breakdown. I'm just trying to be honest about how I'm feeling right now. I'm still here. I'm still trying. I'm still taking care of myself and do what I need to do. I just have days when everything feels heavier. I'm not crazy and I'm not asking anyone to fix me. I'm just human and sometimes I struggle too. I still have dreams. I want to pass my NCLEX-RN, become a full-time YouTuber, and continue building this channel. But life doesn't always allow us to move as quickly as we want. I have bills and responsibilities, and I have to make sure I can take care of myself and my van. YouTube isn't paying enough to cover those things yet, so far now.
Hello.
I have to be realistic.
Just don't jump on me.
I won't promise specific upload days anymore. I'll upload when I can, when I have the time and energy. I'm just gonna walk one round here because there's a lot of kids. I think it's their field trip or something. If you're also struggling financially while trying to chase your dreams, maybe you understand. Sometimes you have dreams in your heart, but you also have bills in front of you. I've heard the term functional depression, and sometimes I wonder if that's what I'm experiencing. Because even when I'm struggling inside, I still get up. I still take care of what I need to do. I still work toward my goals. Alright, I did it. And I'm grateful that I can still keep going. So if you're going through something similar, I want you to know that you don't always have to pretend you're okay. Sometimes you just need to have someone to listen without judging you. That's all I'm asking for here. A little understanding, a little compassion. Struggling doesn't make you weak, dramatic, or too much. It just means you're human. And right now, I'm taking things one day at a time. I wish no one ever had to feel alone, sad, or lonely. I hope we can learn to live alone without feeling the absence of someone. It's just so hard. Thank you for listening and thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not gonna shower yet because I wanna finish my bedside ceiling. I started it yesterday. I don't like the panelings here on the floor. It always tripped me. So I decided yesterday to just put it up and be productive. Even though I have this splint, I'm trying my best not to use it and just assist. After I finish my ceiling, I'm going to shower. So let's get out here and go to Lowe's because it's freaking hot. Whew. I feel like I want a swimming pool this time or um, jump into a lake. I will prefer cold, but not so cold. Let's go, let's go. I'm going to cook rice. I want some rice. today. It's a mattress lentils. Let's try it. It's easier because I have to pick up my mail at 4:30. I'm just gonna make rice first. Una, excuse me. I'm starting to get shaky. Una. I forgot water. Oh. Let's try if we can make 2 cups here. Because I'm planning of making fried rice. I don't want to use my electric rice cooker because I'm charging my blueberry right now and it's too slow to charge it. I don't know why. I'm starving to death. I want to try this so bad. And then I have some basils and mixed veggies there. I'm gonna add it. You can smell my rice. So I got my meals. And then I'm gonna reheat this now. I have to do this again. Take out everything. I thought it's a ziploc. I'm gonna add my veggies, mixed vegetables. I'll add some water. And I'm gonna add some basil. I'm adding my basil. I just love basil. Especially with pho. Let's eat. Why do I have both spoons? Tastes good. I think this is mixed beans. I think I need to switch my network because Verizon sucks. I've been with them like 5 or 6 years and it's always bad signal wherever I go. Like right now here, it's very low.